For me, it's still life. Even in the rain. Mopar lineup.
You wanna get out?
It's Superman.
Yeah, I mean.
So, they need the ones with the lights. This shit is badass. What the fuck? Hey, yo, this guy funny as shit. What the fuck are the Subarus at?
He went to go get tea.
He said he went to go get what? Oh my god.
No.
Team Honda. Team Honda. VTEC. I keep listening to good shit.
Stir it up, just fucking move it.
Is he about to back up now?
He was going to. So we had to move it out of the way.
Where's him going? He'll just ram it. Yeah.
Let's cross for you. Smells like Juki. Remember, we were at the meter, it smelled like Juki always.
What the fuck?
Yeah, because the wind's blowing this way too.
Yo, that wouldn't have been a dope. Yo, that wouldn't have been a. Ladies, I give you our candy. Where'd he go?
I was like,
You get kicked out for fucking sparklers. That's some shit.
I fucking hate this camera.
pretty quick as a motherfucker too.
I know.
Store, what do you expect? It's like, it's like 2 minutes of fun.
Yo, this shit is like straight up Cali car beats type shit.
Watch the dog go. Watch the dog.
Yeah!
You're clear behind.
Bye!
You're good. We move the car.
Do a burnout.
Back it up. There's lap hole. We're good.
Good shit.
I got you, Elvis.
What the fuck? I'm just here with Mopars.
What the fuck? Feet up.
Shit.
What the fuck?
If you gonna do that, if you gonna do this.
It's drift car. It's drift car. I'm about to fucking troll. Bye. They're leaving me! No. Where's Naked Man? Bye! Hey! Don't do it!
Run! Hey, you gotta do some skins. I do 40s at the house. That's my my RX7.
Oh, you're right. You wanted to keep it. I felt so bad.
Everything.
Burn out and fucking send it into the crowd.
Exactly.
This is
And
the
I'm a old
vlog footage.
motherfucker.
No, he too old. He too old. Sit there and send that motherfucker straight to a crowd, back up.
With her.
Wait, what? And then
I said with her.
somebody else exactly. I heard it just get low.
With her.
With her.
Yeah, it's like
You said with her.
with her. I thought he was about to.
Called out the wrong one.
What the?
I was driving, I was like, okay. That's the problem. Your bitch is old.
I know.
He'll go back and flip.
Oh, thank you. I love you. Just here. What's him doing? I love you too. What? There's too much going on right now. I love this guy. Well, as you can see, tonight was fucking eventful. And we have a Subi coming. What is that? No, it's not a Subi. Oh, that's him. Yeah, it was fucking eventful. A-Rob here.
Yeah.
Are you fucking this guy?
Nah.
Hey yo, call it a night. I forgot to end the first part of the vlog, but yeah, it was an eventful night, as you saw. Bargain you like that? Do it! What the fuck? Listen to anyone. What the hell? See this ladies, I give you eye candy, damn it. She has a problem with her. Yeah, she's, I think she's like 11 months now. Why the hell are you messing with that, my dog? Ladies, you're asking for eye candy. Here you go.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made hate when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.